Hi guys, I'm Eileen. Today, I want to share with you the luxury items I've been eyeing on. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you know I'm all about mindful spending. I just really like to take my time to see if a certain item is worth my money or if it's a good fit in my wardrobe. But this year, I feel like I'm even more intentional because everything is feeling so uncertain. Also, I've sold several items from my luxury collection this year, and two of the sales were a bit stressful because of the delayed shipping caused by the pandemic. So now, with everything I buy, I really do think long and hard before pulling the trigger. Anyway, I'm going to share these beautiful items with you guys, and please let me know if you think these will make good investment pieces in my wardrobe. The first ones are the Massica Gigi Hadid earrings. Massica was launched in 2005, so it's a relatively new jewelry brand. I've been checking out their pieces and I think their designs are very contemporary and refreshing. I can't say I love all their designs because I think some of them are a bit too loud for my liking. However, the Gigi Hadid earrings do stand out to me. These earrings are available in both rose gold and white gold. You can also find these earrings in either the plain precious metal with a single diamond or the beautiful pavé versions. Interestingly, you can actually just buy one earring and not a pair, but these earrings are side-oriented, which means the right earring will not fit on the left side so well. For me, these are very tasteful statement pieces, and I love that you can mix and match. In fact, I've been thinking to get the pavé earring for my left side and the plain version for the right. I think that would be quite a fun way to wear diamonds, and they should go with my dressing styles quite well. But what do you think? The second item is a luxury bag. I've mentioned in my previous video that I'm really interested in the Loewe Hammock drawstrings bag. This bag really reminds me of the Hermes Lindy bag, but with a longer shoulder strap. Personally, I'm really drawn to handbags with top handles anyway because they just add a lot of versatility to the bag. But I think I'm really drawn to this bag mostly because it looks so chic, understated, and functional. This bag doesn't come with a zipper, but I think the drawstrings really restrict the opening, so security shouldn't be a major concern. These bags are also available in different materials and sizes, but I especially like the one in the calf leather and in a taupe color. To be honest, I don't really think this is a classic handbag as such, but for me, it doesn't really matter if a certain item is classic or trendy. If it's something you love wearing and using, then it might be worth your money. The third items are the De Beers Lotus earrings in white gold. I've mentioned these earrings several times on my channel, so I don't want to bore you too much with the details, but they have been on my wish list for quite some time. I think they are absolutely lovely and elegant and should make a fantastic addition to my fine jewelry collection. But at the same time, I hesitate because I feel like I have quite a few beautiful earrings in my collection, so I wonder if I should add more. Besides, there are some jewelry pieces in my collection that I've not been wearing a lot, so I really should let something go first before shopping for more. Anyway, for those of you who are still building your fine jewelry collection, but you think the basic diamond studs are a little bit too simple, these De Beers earrings should be a lot more exciting, but at the same time, still very timeless and versatile. The next item I would really love to add to my luxury collection is the Hermes Birkin 25. Many of you know I love my Birkin 25 in black and gold. In fact, I think the Birkin 25s are my favorite bags from Hermes, so I do hope I will come across another one. I think as long as the bag is in a neutral color, I will take it happily. But of course, I'm sure you know these bags are not usually readily available, so I'm not even sure if I'll ever get offered another bag, but it is on my wish list. Now, I don't usually buy the same bags in different colors, but I've decided to make an exception for the Birkin 25. Next, I've been thinking to get a fedora hat. This year, I've been wearing my straw hat from Kahn for most part of summer, and it's now one of my favorite accessories. I think wearing a hat is such an easy way to complete a simple outfit. So I've been thinking to get a fedora hat for the colder months. I'm really quite new in this department, but I want something that is timeless and long-lasting, just so it can serve me for many years. So the two options I've been looking at are Hermes and Maison Michel, both of which are quite expensive. So if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. The next two fine jewelry pieces I've been checking out are from Anita Co. Anita started her jewelry career in 2006, so again it's quite a new jewelry brand, but her pieces are so popular among celebrities. I adore many of her designs. I feel like she has such a creative and refreshing way of presenting diamonds. So the first item I've been eyeing on is a coil diamond ring in rose gold. This ring looks so unique and one of a kind. I personally love a good statement ring, especially on my index finger. I'm wearing my Cartier Just On Clue ring today, and it's something I've been enjoying a lot. But if you're looking for something a bit less chunky, I think the Anita Co Ring is worth looking into. Another jewelry from Anita Co that I've been checking out are the palm leaf diamond earrings in white gold. These are not the biggest earrings, but they are so sparkly. I think the arrangement of the baguette diamonds really helps to reflect the light. And just like the Beers earrings, these are very versatile fine jewelry pieces, and I think they should go well with just about any outfits. So I would love to know, between the two options, which ones do you prefer and why? The next item is a bag from Carolina Herrera. I first saw this bag on Princess Meghan Markle and I thought it looked so much like the Hermes Birkin bag. So this bag is called the Matryoshka tote bag, and just like the Birkin, it has a lock on the front of the bag. They come in two sizes, but I definitely prefer the size small. If you're interested in the Hermes Birkin bags, but you kind of wish these bags came with a shoulder strap, then I think you should consider the Matryoshka bag. In fact, I've seen some videos where people try to add a shoulder strap or a scarf to the Birkin to make it a shoulder bag. But it just doesn't look right because the strap has to be attached to the front and the back of the bag rather than on the sides. So if a shoulder strap is a must for you, I think you should consider this option instead. In fact, I think this bag will hold the shape a lot better because there's a leather compartment right in the middle inside the bag, which will also help to keep things organized. As beautiful as these bags are though, I have a feeling the resale value might not be great, so I just want to give myself enough time to make sure it's something I'll be keeping in my luxury handbag collection for a long time. Last but not least, I've also been checking out a necklace by Suzanne. I love browsing her collections because they are always so unconventional yet flattering. She's well known for placing baguette diamonds in a random fashion on her pieces. I followed this brand for quite some time, but I mostly browse for earrings and rings. Recently, a necklace really stood out to me, and it's a dog tag necklace in rose gold and diamonds. For me, the pendant is quite dainty but eye-catching, and I also love that the chain is a bit longer than usual. But on the other hand, I just want to be a bit more cautious when buying necklaces now. I feel like even though I love looking at statement necklaces, I don't actually tend to reach for them in daily life. Some of you know I have a Van Cleef & Arpels Magic Alhambra necklace in Mother of Pearl and the Hermes Kelly necklace, both of which I don't wear a lot, and I think the reason is because both pendants are in quite substantial sizes. So now I do prefer to look at more dainty pieces for my necklaces. I think I'll just keep my statement element to my earrings and rings. So those are the luxury items I've been eyeing on. Most of them are luxury handbags and fine jewelry, but often they are the items I take the longest time to decide because they are expensive. I feel like after so many expensive shopping mistakes, the last thing I want to do now is to rush into buying anything. Anyway, I would love your opinions on them. Do you think they will make good investment pieces in my wardrobe, or are you not too sure about them? So please let me know. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day.